आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, let's start the question. Question says, a spring is stretched by applying a load to its free end. The strain produced by the spring is. So we have to find the strain produced by the spring when we attached a load to its free end. So let's first make the spring. So this is our spring of length L. And we applied load here. And due to this load, there is some change in its length. Due to the strain produced in the spring. And the change in the length is delta L. And as the force or the load applied along the length of the spring, we get to know there is a strain produced by the spring is a longitudinal strain, which is equals to delta L by L. And there is one more strain produced by the spring is due to the deformation of the spring, because when we applied load parallel to the cross-sectional area, there is a strain produced along the string, which is a shear strain, and that this shear strain deform the shape of the spring. So we find there is a bending towards the load of the spring. There is some deformation of the spring at the end of the spring due to the load, because load is parallel to the cross-sectional area of the spring. And so we get to know there is a two kind of strain produced by the spring when we apply load to its free end. The first one is the longitudinal one, longitudinal strain, and the second one is the shear strain, because their load is parallel to the cross-sectional area of the spring, and due to this shear strain there is deformation of the spring at the end. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।